Most free cybersecurity certs are a waste of time. They look good on paper, mean nothing to hiring managers, and leave you with zero practical skills. But there is one cert right now that you can get completely free, backed by one of the biggest companies on the planet, and actually teaches you tools you will use on the job. And I am going to show you exactly how to get it without paying a dollar. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. 8 courses built and taught by actual security practitioners at Google. No degree required, no prior experience required. You go through Linux, Python, SQL, SIEM tools like Splunk and Google Chronicle, intrusion detection systems like Suricata, incident response, and security frameworks. About 170 hours of content, designed to finish in under 6 months at 7 to 10 hours a week. Here is what separates this from the random free certs that go nowhere. Google has built a network of over 150 employer partners who have agreed to actively consider certificate holders for entry-level roles. Companies like American Express, Deloitte, T-Mobile, and Walmart are in that network. That is not a guarantee of a job, but it is a direct pipeline that most free certs simply do not have. The program also prepares you for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, and graduates get a discount on both the training and the exam itself. So you are not just earning one credential, you are setting yourself up for the next step. Here is how you actually get this for free. Google has uploaded the full course content to YouTube. Every video, every lesson, all 8 courses, completely free, no account needed. You watch it all there first. Learn the material, take notes, get familiar with the tools. Then, once you have been through the content, you go to Coursera and start your 7-day free trial. On Coursera, you are not watching videos anymore. You are going straight to the assignments, the quizzes, and the labs. You already know the material. You are just proving it. If you push through it, 7 days is enough. People do it. And if you need a couple extra days, worst case you pay $49 for 1 month. For a Google-backed certificate, that is still one of the best deals in cybersecurity. And if money is genuinely a barrier, Coursera has a financial aid program. You fill out a short application, you wait around 15 days, and if approved, you get full access, including the certificate, at zero cost. Thousands of people have done this. When you finish this, you are positioned for entry-level roles like SOC analyst, cybersecurity analyst, information security analyst, and IT security analyst. These are the exact roles that use the tools you trained on. The Bureau of Labor Statistics puts the median salary for information security analysts at around $124,000 a year in the US, with 29% projected job growth through 2034. That is not entry-level money. But it shows you where the ceiling is and why getting into this field is worth the effort. One thing to be straight about, this certificate alone will not land you a job. You need to pair it with hands-on practice, a resume that shows what you can do, and platforms like TryHackMe to build real practical skills alongside it. Think of the Google cert as your foundation and your credibility signal. The hands-on work is what gives you stories to tell in interviews. Go to YouTube, search Google Cybersecurity Certificate, and find the official Google playlist. Start there. Watch the content, take notes, actually learn it. Then when you are ready, go to Coursera, start your free trial, and push through the assessments. If you want to go the financial aid route instead, go to Coursera.org. Find the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate and click Apply for Financial Aid on the enrollment page. Fill it out honestly and submit. Approval takes around 15 days. If you are trying to break into cybersecurity without spending money, this is the most legitimate path available right now. Google's name carries real weight, the curriculum covers real tools, and the employer network gives you actual access that random free certs do not. Watch it on YouTube first, then finish it on Coursera. And if you want the full free cybersecurity roadmap, I made a video on that too.